Today we will introduce the CY24 standard double-sided flat key. This kind of key has 8 spaces with 4 depths. Now we will introduce the method of picking and decoding. The lock has 7 wafers, with the first one in ignition lock. Now let's test the position of each wafers. The position of it is solid, then we need to pick it. The position of 3 is solid, pick it again. Go through each position and until the lock is picked. Now the lock has been all picked. Now let's write down the data we have decoded at each position. Then link each depth and delete the spare space. The two sides should be totally same to easily open the car lock. Now the key has been finished.